Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. So, we have completed with the 3 chapters of macroeconomics, and today we are going to start with another chapter, that is chapter number 5th, that is money. So, money is what? Money refers to that medium of exchange through which we can exchange our goods and services. तो मनी क्या है? मनी एक मीडियम है. मनी एक मीडियम है जिसके थ्रू हम अपने गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को क्या कर सकते हैं? एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं. तो मनी रेफर्स टू मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज थ्रू विच वी कैन एक्सचेंज goods and services. So generally in India, if we talk about money, money has different forms. Money has different forms like fiat money, fiduciary money, full-bodied money, and credit money. So if we say that presently the circulation of currency is in the form of coins, paper notes, e-wallets, and plastic money. Plastic money is debit and credit card. So when money was not there, so there was system in circulation named barter system of exchange. There was system named barter system of exchange. Barter system of exchange is that system of exchange in which we exchange goods for the goods, which is also called C2C economy, that is commodity to commodity. तो barter system में क्या था? हम goods के बदले क्या करते थे? Goods को exchange करते थे. तो that's what we call it as a barter system of exchange. So there are some limitations. There are some limitations of barter system of exchange which leads to the invention of money. So first limitation was double coincidence of bonds. So double coincidence of bonds का मतलब क्या है? That both the parties should possess such kind of goods which fulfills the need and want of each other. यानी कि दोनों पार्टीज के पास कुछ ऐसी गुड्स होनी चाहिए जो एक दूसरे की डिमांड को फुलफिल करें, डिमांड को पूरा करें. अब सपोज करो मेरे पास राइस है और मेरे को वीट की जरूरत है. वीट की जरूरत है तो मैं ऐसे बंदे को अप्रोच करूंगा जिसके पास क्या हो? वीट हो और उसको उसी टाइम पे राइस की भी जरूरत हो. दैट व्हाट इज डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ बॉन्ड्स. तो डबल कोइंसिडेंस मतलब बोथ द पार्टी शुड पोजेस such kind of goods which fulfills the demand for each other and both the parties are ready to exchange for that. तो जैसे जैसे बेटा wants क्या होती गई? मल्टीपल होती गई. जैसे जैसे wants मल्टीपल होती गई तो it is very difficult to find such kind of people. So there is need of one common unit of exchange for which we have invented money. Second one is that is lack of common unit of value. In barter system, we can say that we can't measure the goods and services with some common thing. Like in present, we can measure each and everything in rupees. Like this marker costs 30 rupees, mobile costs 10,000 rupees. That there is one common unit of measure. But at that time, there was no common unit of measure. That if we are exchanging rice for wheat, then the value of 1 kg rice is equals to 1 kg of wheat. If we are exchanging 2 chairs with 1 pair of shoes, then the value of 2 chairs is 1 pair of shoes, and 1 pair of shoes is equals to 2 chairs. So there was no common unit of measurement when barter system was there. So it is very difficult to calculate the GDP. So we have invented one common unit of measurement, that what we call it as a money. Then comes difficult to store of value. Difficulty in store of value. In barter system, we were exchanging goods and services. In barter system, we were exchanging goods and services, and it is very difficult to store the goods and services. It is very difficult to store the goods and services. So we can say that in barter system, it is very difficult to store the value. It is very difficult to store the value. Suppose we have to store rupees 2 lakh. It is very easy to store. We can keep it in our pocket. We can keep it in our almirah. But if we have to store the goods worth rupees 2 lakh, or if we have to store the wheat worth rupees 2 lakh, we have to arrange some separate places. So it is very difficult to store the goods and services. So in barter system, we were just exchanging goods and services. So in barter system, we can't store the value. So that's why we have invented the money. Next is, that is lack of contractual payments. Lack of contractual payments. So in barter system, we can't pay the contractual payments or the payments which are to be repatriated on some future date. Lack of contractual payment. तो बार्टर सिस्टम में हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि आज तू मेरे को चीज दे दे तो मैं तेरे को 6 महीने बाद वो चीज दे दूंगा. जैसे आज हम किसी से पैसा ले लेते हैं, उसको कहते हैं कि हम 2 महीने बाद तेरे को पैसा दे देंगे. तो बट एज सच बार्टर सिस्टम में कुछ नहीं था. एज सच बार्टर सिस्टम में कुछ नहीं था. देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल पेमेंट कि आज तू मेरे को राइस दे दे, मैं 6 महीने बाद तेरे को क्या दे दूंगा, वीट दे दूंगा. So there was lack of such kind of transactions. So that's why we have invented money. Then we can just transfer of value. So in barter system, we were exchanging goods and services. So it is very difficult to transfer. It is like presently we can transfer the money just through net banking, or we can say through RTGS or NEFT. But at the time of barter system, we can't transfer the value. अब हम घर बैठे अमेरिका ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, किसी और इंडियन स्टेट में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, बट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रांसफर द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज इन द बार्टर सिस्टम. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव इन्वेंटेड द मनी. सो दिस आर द लिमिटेशंस व्हिच लीड्स टू द इन्वेंशन ऑफ मनी. So please watch this video very carefully, and if you have any query, I will sort out in your tomorrow's Google Meet session, and tomorrow we will and day after tomorrow we will discuss about the various forms of money and the suppliers of money. Thanks and have a nice day.